Hey guys, I am your host Teku. Welcome to my channel, and today we are going to talk about the ranking of the 100 Beast Pirates. Before we start, if you like the video, please subscribe to Crazy Animal and press the bell icon to never miss an update. The whole Animal Kingdom pirates are full of zone type devil fruit user. The ranking is from strongest character to the weakest as follows. The first is Kaido himself as the captain and the general of the beast pirate with an invincible dragon body. Yes. With an unknown devil fruit and the Yonko of the sea hand having only one scar given by Odin. Yes, this is very important. Move on to the next one are all stars, the strongest and the trusted commanders of Kaido and 100 base pirates. There are three all stars. The strongest one is the king with the ancient zone type devil fruit Ryuryu Dragon no Mi, which gives the ability to transform into Pterodon. He pushes down the boat of Big Mom pirates down to waterfall with a single blow. That's confirmed how it is. Then comes Queen, is the second strongest in the All-Star with the Ancient Zone type Devil Fruit Ryuryu Dragon Nomi, which gives the ability to transform into a dinosaur Brachiosaurus when Big Mom gets mad at Straw Hat in Udan over red bean soup. Queen knocked down Big Mom with his plan and a single headbutt. That shows how much he is capable of. And the last one is Jack. He is the last member of the All Stars and is also the user of Ancient Zone type Devil Fruit. Zozo no Mi, elephant no Mi in English, which gives the ability to transform into a mammoth. He didn't do anything great. Okay. He fights with minks, but they overpowered him, so he uses scissors weapon to knock them out. Nothing more asshole work and nothing. Third one are the Toby Rope or the Flying Six. They are recently introduced, so the information about every character isn't available yet. The six are as follows. Drake. Drake is the captain of the Drake Pirates and also a user of the Ancient Zone type Devil Fruit. Ryu no Mi or Dragon Nomi, which gives the ability of Allosaurus. He recently joined the Beast Pirates and he is the secret member of Marine Sword Squad 2. Next one is Page 1. I don't think it was his real name anyways. Just like the other members, he is also the user of the Asian Devil Fruit, Ryuryu Nomi or Dragon Nomi, which allows him the abilities of Spinosaurus. His history isn't known yet. Also, he also fought Sanji in the Flower Capital. Then comes Hozu, a strong personality and a former captain of his crew, with hiding half of his face with a big horn mask with long legs. By this image, we can see a katana in his left. Probably he is a Zordman. Then comes a large woman with a height of almost as king, wearing a kimono and a smoking pipe in her hand. Yes, we don't know nothing about her except her look. Move on to the next member, Uruti or Ulti, a girl with a already having complicated name and short-tempered mind. She easily get annoyed and didn't get hesitate to talk rudely with anyone. With Kaido too. Everyone gets mad at her when she talks rudely about Kaido and her powers are unknown. Next one is Sasaki, a man having his torso off a clock with a fire pattern, having a tattoo on back and both the shoulders. Aiming for the all-stars position and powers. Then comes the numbers. Yes, only numbers. We don't know much about them. They are big in size, almost as a giant, but different. And recently, a number named Hacha is revealed in chapter 981. He is big, I mentioned it already, and he is using round eggs just like Kaido used to. Then comes the army of the Smile Fruit users. They are divided into three parts. The first one are elite gifters known as Shinichi. They have the perfect zone type devil fruit ability. Then comes the gifters, the ones who obtain the ability from Smile Fruits. And then pleasures, those who fail to obtain the powers of the Smile Fruit. They trusted you, Kaido. They trusted you. And last one are the waiters, waiting for their chance to obtain the Smile Fruit. But they have to wait.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
As for Yamato, Oda nothing revealed about him yet, so we really don't know how powerful he is or he is fully supporting Kaido or he wants to fight alongside with Kaido. If he fights alongside with Kaido, we will get to see in future. Till then, we have to wait until Oda reveals something to us. This is the ranking of the Beast Pirate, and I didn't add Orochi's army in it, like Oniwa Banshu. Uh, this is the only list Beast Pirates as goes for the Big Mom Pirates. We already know about Big Mom Pirates through Whole Cake Island arc. This is it for this video. See you in the next one. Till then, stay tuned with Crazy Animer channel by subscribing and never miss an update. And like the video, comment down your opinion, share and support. Peace.